Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In the last video we saw how to create a reference plane. So in this video we will be seeing how to trim entities. So first let's select a plane and do some sketch. Say a rectangle, and the trim entities is now activated. So now first one is power trim. So power trim works like this. So you just draw it from here, drag it, and you can trim those entities. It can be used in many places. That's how power trim works. Next is corner. So let's draw for a corner like this. So now if I want to trim it to this corner and make it a triangle, so we just go over here, corner, select these two, and now we have a corner. Make sure you select it on the side to which you want the corner. If not, let me show you what happens. If I select it on this side, it gets trimmed towards this side, so we won't get a triangle, or based on your requirement you need to select it on that side. And next is trim away inside. For trim away inside, let's just draw something like this. So trim away inside, what it does is you need to select two entities, and between the selected two entities it trims away the other entities which are present. So trim away inside, suppose I want to trim these lines off, I select these two, and now I can trim away these, and I'm left with whatever is left outside. Next is trim away outside. So now I just trim away outside does opposite of trim away inside. So it trims the entities which are outside the selected entities. So suppose I want to trim off these two edges, I go trim away outside, and I just select these two sides, and now I can just delete trim the entity, and now I am left with whatever I am needed. Trim to closest trims the entity which to the nearest entity which is available, like the closest. Suppose if I trim this or this, it just gets trimmed and it goes to the nearest entity. Let me show you like this. So if I just trim this, it goes away. So if there is some extra part or something, if you want to trim it to the closest entity available, you can use trim to closest. Also, there's another option called extend entities that works like this. Suppose you have two sides like this, so now you can use extend entities. It gets extended up here, and now if you want to convert it to a triangle, you can just use power trim and trim it. So that's about it for this video, guys. These are the various types of trim and extend entities. We have seen all of them. Hope it was helpful, and if you like what you saw, like, share and subscribe. That does it for me in this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.